pour into the washing machine, and you'll get rid of the musty smell, dirt, and mold. A clean washing machine guarantees clean and fresh-smelling laundry. But you don't have to use strong bleach to get rid of mold and odors. Start by cleaning the rubber seal, where dirt and mold tend to accumulate. Use a regular kitchen sponge for this. Most of the dirt will come off with the rough side of the sponge. For the washing machine door, simply spray it with vinegar. Wash it and wipe it with a dry cloth. This will remove residue and water scale. The detergent drawer also needs attention, and the compartment where the drawer goes should be cleaned as well. Vinegar eliminates mold spores and removes scale. In just a moment, that spot will be clean too. Now, take some dishwasher tablets and throw them into the washing machine. Use 3 or even 4 tablets. Toss in a towel or a sheet as well. This will help clean the machine more effectively. Pour an additional 2 liters of water into the machine. You'll need a bit more water to properly clean the drum. Select the special cleaning program if your washing machine has one, or just a regular cycle with the highest temperature. After this wash, you'll see the machine will be cleaner than ever. My neighbor used to put them in the washing machine to prevent unpleasant odors when guests were coming over, but you don't need to stuff the machine with them. There's a better way to get rid of bad smells and grime. In the washing machine drawer, residues from laundry detergents accumulate, leading to bacteria and mold that cause bad odors. Even large amounts of fragrant liquids won't mask it, which is why your laundry may smell bad after washing. Here's how to fix it. Remove the drawer from the washing machine and place it in a deep container or sink. Take a dishwasher tablet and a toothbrush. Dissolve the tablet in hot water and start scrubbing. Dishwasher tablets contain ingredients that effectively remove dirt and mineral deposits. If the drawer is very dirty, let it soak longer. However, the tablets work quickly to clean away grime. Once cleaned, put the drawer back in place, and you're done. Your washing machine and laundry will smell fresh. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. I've been putting on pads wrong my whole life. It turns out the typical method you're probably using is incorrect. Let me show you 2 ways to properly apply a pad. Both are very simple and intuitive. The first method involves attaching the wings differently. Take a pad and stick it onto your underwear as usual. However, when you peel off the protective paper from the wings, don't throw it away. Instead, place it where the wings will be attached, and then fold them over. This will make it easier to change the pad and more comfortable to wear. The second trick also involves the wings. Once again, take a pad and peel off the main protective paper. Stick the pad to your underwear, but attach the wings a bit differently. Remove the protective paper from the wings and discard it. This time, don't stick the wings to the underwear. Instead, simply stick the 2 wings together. In summary, I hope you find these tips helpful, and remember that you don't have to stick to just one method. A sanitary pad can clean your windows, and you'll never have to climb a ladder again. Let me show you the best way to clean your exterior windows. With this trick, your windows will shine like never before. Take a sanitary pad and attach it to a Swiffer. Then, remove it from the packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it onto the Swiffer. Now, spray the pad with window cleaner. Use this setup to wash your windows. You won't need to climb a ladder, and you'll be able to reach every window with ease. Remember to spray the pad with more window cleaner from time to time. Wipe the windows again. You'll see how the pad effortlessly picks up dirt. Your windows will be sparkling clean and shine like never before. You can also use this tool to clean the front and rear windshields of your car. It's a simple yet highly effective way to remove dirt and streaks. With a sanitary pad, your windows will be spotless. Pour this liquid on panty liners and see how fantastically it works. If you have regular panty liners or thin, small pads, use them. Pads and panty liners are essential for the personal hygiene of every woman. They are absorbent and don't leak, which makes them useful for other purposes. Take one panty liner and cut it in half with scissors, just like I do in the video. Spread them out on a table or countertop. Take your favorite fabric softener and pour a small amount into a measuring cup. Pour it over both pieces of the liner. Pour just enough so that it soaks into the pad without dripping. Now, remove the paper covering the sticky part of the liner. Take the liner and open your wardrobe. Here's where we'll use our fabric softener-soaked liner. Stick the liner to the side wall of the wardrobe. Stick the other half on the opposite side. This makes an excellent wardrobe freshener. Thanks to these liners, your wardrobe will have the pleasant scent of fresh laundry. You can easily make another freshener when this one stops working. Throw them into the washing machine and start the wash cycle as usual. Place your laundry in the drum and add 2 hair rollers. Put them between the items in the washing machine drum, add a detergent capsule, and wash the clothes together with the rollers. Give it a try once, and you'll never stop. Since I started doing this, it's become my favorite way to do laundry, especially for dark clothes. Various threads and tiny lint always stick to dark fabrics. Every tiny hair is visible on dark materials. If you have pets, this problem is even bigger. Dog or cat hair is always visible on black clothes. They're on everything. You surely use a lint roller and hair roller to remove hair and fur. However, this often isn't enough. Even after washing, there are still threads, lint, hair, and fur on clothes. But there's a simple solution to this. Hair rollers are perfect for this. They are made of Velcro, which catches everything. They collect hair and fur from clothes very well. Just throw them into the laundry together with the items. Instead of on clothes, all these tiny debris will be on the rollers after washing. When you try this trick with hair rollers, the problem of hair and fur on clothes will disappear.